You're lucky we didn't steal your TV box.
Why?
Ours is broken. I think more eating of your dinner, less playing of the game.
Oh dear. I knew I had.
Huh?
Nothing. Talking to myself.
Eat your dinner. Yeah, but our TV box broke downstairs. So,
How'd it break?
I don't know. It got an error code on it. So, swipe to Victoria's. Are we drawing or are we doing homework?
Writing.
Okay. Is that homework?
No.
Well, is homework done?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'll get that stuff to your teacher in the next day or so. Alright. Peace out. Chloe, oh, Chloe's sleeping through all of this? Chloe's sleeping through all that? Are you eating your dinner? Keep eating it. You understand? I see it. I want you to eat. Hey, dinner. Arrgh.
Oh my.
You know how windy it is out there?
Pretty windy.
40-mile-an-hour winds right now. I got videos of the river being blown all the way from Fisher's Lane and down to here. I'm fixing to make those videos and put them together. I'll put this up here so that Pawpaw and Granny Rainey can see you guys.
Okay. I love yous.
Alright. So, yeah. Oh, well, you want me to get out of your room? Is that it?
Somewhat. So I can start getting inspired from my...
Inspired? You're trying to find...
story!
You're trying to find your artistic muse?
Well, I guess you could say that, even though... Yes.
You know, Pawpaw's doing a lot of writing now.
Well, this is only one page. I'm thinking about sending it to him. I'm gonna think about sending it to him to see if I should make a...
Well, why don't you type? You don't like to type, do you?
I'd like to, write it out, then copy it on a sheet, then copy it on...
Okay, alright. Okay, alrighty then.
Bye!
I'm getting out of here. Be quiet. Are we eating our dinner? Are we eating? I know what's on the... I know. Are we eating? Victoria, are you eating? There you go. Eat your food. Surprised the cat isn't waking up. Alright. Yeah, I see you're eating. Good job.